Okay, this is my setup. This is how I do it. They're the spots I'm aiming for with the tennis balls. And the pillow cradles my neck. And the balls are tucked down in the pillow a little bit, enough to hold them stable. And then I get the tennis balls right on those bony protrusions. And just relax. And it just takes a few, maybe a minute or less before you start to feel that relaxation, the still point in being induced. And I've held this on there for quite a few minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes at a time. I normally do it like in the afternoon when I'm taking a nap. When I wake up, I do this before I get off of the bed. Or this is my wife's yoga mat, and this seems like a really good way to do it also. And you'll feel when you get it in the right spot, it won't be down on the soft part of your neck. It won't be too far up on your skull. There's just a perfect little sweet spot right there on those bony spots that you want to get it.